namaste. Welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. It means a lot to me. Thank you so very much. So in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box below. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is today's topic. So I'm going to channel messages for you guys. I'll be doing automatic writing, intuitive writing, so where I'll be meditating on each pile and channeling messages for you guys. And the topic for today is urgent messages from your angels for you guys right now. So what you need to know right now, what are the urgent messages for you guys right now? So that is going to be the topic. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, so we have 3 groups for you guys. I have kept 3 objects for you guys. For group number 1, this is the selenite crystal. For group number 2, it's the white candle, tea light candle, white. And for group number 3, we have this white butterfly. So close your eyes, relax, connect with your intuition, and choose a object that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so selenite crystal, tea light candle, white, and white butterfly. Okay, close your eyes, relax, take a deep breath, let go of all the worries, and then choose an object that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so the timestamps will be given in the description box. I'm going to start with group number 1. Group number 1, if you have chosen the selenite crystal, let's see what is your message, what are the urgent messages from your angels, spirit guides, what you need to know at this point of time. Okay, so remember, these are timeless readings and general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. Okay, and I have channeled a message for you guys. If you haven't listened the intro, I told that I will channel messages. I will meditate on each pile and write, it's automatic writing, so I have done that. So I have written a message for you guys, okay, that we will read it later. Okay, so selenite group number 1, let's just cleanse the energy. So if you have a sage or something at your home, just cleanse your energy. I feel like protection with the selenite, you're very protected, but cleanse your energy, or maybe use white light energy for protecting yourself. Like, just envision that white light energy is surrounding you and you're very protected, or envision yourself in a bubble where you're very, very protected. Okay, so that's something I feel like you need to do, or maybe use sound ball or something like for protection if you have it. Okay, so let's see. If you don't have, maybe you have an incense, use incense, or just, as I told you, use white light protection. Just imagine that you are in this white light energy, you're very protected. Just feel that energy, that's important. Okay, so let's see for my group number 1, what's the message, urgent messages for my group number 1. I'm seeing a waterfall here. Maybe for some of you want to go to see a waterfall, just go. Or maybe it's like water just flows, it doesn't controls, right? So maybe it's important to go with the flow of life, not hold to something that is not good for you. Maybe you're holding on to someone or something. Maybe for some of you, I'm hearing separation anxiety or something like that. I don't know why, but maybe here some of you are like, maybe you have separation anxiety with your phone or something like that. Maybe you need to work on it. Okay, maybe just don't use phone for a day. You need to work on that thing. What is that? Is it your phone that gives you separation anxiety or something like that? Maybe it's important that you work on it. Okay, meditation is very, very necessary for you guys. At least going out in nature, connecting with nature, not thinking about the daily chores, not thinking about, like, at least for 10 minutes a day, you shouldn't think about the things that you need to do. Okay, just let that stress go here. A lot of stress I'm seeing. Phone, something with phone, mobile phone. If you don't have your mobile phone, you feel so stressed, you feel so anxious. Why? In this modern age, we are so attached to these kind of things. Maybe for some of you need to work on that. Okay, like to use phone less. Like, maybe it should be a goal for some of you to use less social media. Okay, yeah, I don't know, but definitely that's coming. So let's see what else for group number 1. Okay, we have a card and it's on the floor. Oh wow, we have a good card here. Let's see. Yeah. Wait a second, huh? Let me just adjust. Okay. So we have the intention. Yeah, your intention must be very, very pure. What are you intending to do? You know, maybe for some of you, you have this thing, like you have this, I want to make my dreams come true. I like, maybe you are putting that goal, like one day you will be writing all your goals, you will be like very faithful, and the next day you will be acting opposite to it. You will be like worrying about the things, oh my god, this will never happen, I'm just assuming, this is all in my head. You know, what are your intention? Be clear with it. Are you clear with your intention? Are you going back and forth with your intentions? So it's time, like we have this egg, right? And we have this what is this called, dandelions or something like that. It's like it's a wish coming true. You know, when we were kids, it's like we say, oh, my wish will come true, and then we like whoo. You know what I mean, like we give it to the universe, right? So yes, if you have a dandelion near your house, take it and just tell your wish to the universe and give it to the universe, right? So it's the time to give that wish to the universe. It's time to be very clear with your intention. Don't go back and forth, guys. There is some sort of that. So for some of you, it can be because of your past. Maybe in your past you have failed, and that's why you keep thinking like, I will not be able to make it in my future. Understand, the past has already gone and the future hasn't formed yet. So it's in the now, right? So it's in the now. For you guys, definitely I see you have to be in the now. You cannot stay in the future, or you cannot stay in the past. You have to be now. So come back to now. Come back to today. Today you can make the change. Right? Today you can do what you want to do. You cannot do it in your past, you cannot do it in your future. You have to do it today, right? So be clear with your intention. Don't go back and forth. Don't doubt your intention. Have that faith. And when you nurture, like when you plant a seed, what happens? You have to water it every day. You have to nurture it every day. Then only it will grow, and it will definitely take time. This is the same with your intention. Like whatever thoughts that you have, first you're giving it to the universe. Next, what you have to do is to nurture it with faith, trust, and take action accordingly, right? So for some of you, you might take action, but if there is no faith, there is no trust, if there is only negative thinking attached to it, it might not happen, right? So nurture it. That's very important for you guys. Like a pregnant lady, I used to say that, right? Like a pregnant lady, you have to nurture that child. You have to eat healthy, you have to walk, you have to take care of your health, right? Then only it will grow into beautiful right, beautiful infant, right? So that's the thing. If you want to do something, if you want something, if you have a goal, you need to nurture it. You need to go for it. You need to wish for it every day, and we have that faith every day. Come back to faith. That's what I'm hearing for you guys. Come back to faith. Where is why your faith is it's like one day it's there, one day it's like you're very faithful that you will be able to have the stars and the next day you're like, no, I cannot do this. Why? Don't be like that. Okay, so that's something I'm getting. And we have the number 22, so you're very, very protected. Your angels are here with you, because 22 number is a master number, and I associate this number with angels. A lot of balance is what is coming your way, but you need to make a choice today that you will have faith in your dreams. Even though there are challenges, even though there are adversity, I'm not going to lose faith or hope or trust. So for you guys, promise yourself today that I will like promise yourself today now that I will let go of the things, let go of the thinking, let go of the overthinking that is not helping me in any way. You know, when you overthink, what happens is you just destroy your today also, right? With that overthink, you don't enjoy that thing. Like you're going to a friend and friend is having a good time, they're cutting cake, and instead of being in that present moment, you are thinking about the work you need to do tomorrow, the work you will be doing day after tomorrow. Stressing what's the use? You're just wasting that good time, right? So I feel like that's what you need to do right now. So make a wish today to be more present, to practice mindfulness. When you're washing dishes, you just concentrate on washing dishes. not think about your future, what you will be doing 2 years from now. No. So that's, I feel like that's the message for some of you. Okay, maybe it's like your past, you're thinking about your past and like thinking, feeling emotional. Oh my god, this happened, that happened in the past, I did that and it didn't happen, and like thinking about it, and then just losing that faith. Don't do that. So today, be clear with your intention. Take your book, write your goals, and believe in this. You will make it happen. That's what your angels are telling you right now. So, yeah, that's the message. That's the guidance for you guys. You need to balance your energies. Meditation, I feel like you need to do it, but if you can't, at least music. Use music. Go out in nature. Talk to a good friend. Talk to animals. Very much. It will be very good for you guys. So believe in your dreams. That's what I'm getting here. Believe that you're worthy. Okay. And you will make it happen. Your past is not you're not your past. Or that's the thing. Something related to past issue. I feel like you think about it. Maybe you need to let go of that thing. For some of you, you feel you let go of it, but subconsciously you haven't. So you need to work on it. Like maybe for some of you, if it's possible, we have this 8 hours subconscious reprogramming meditations. If you can listen to it at night, that will be very good for you guys. I feel like that. So let's see. Yeah, staying focused. As I told you, staying focused, hold the course, right? You need to stay focused. And I got a message at the same time, the mobile. So I feel like, you are working on some projects, and then your mobile will ring, and then you will lose everything. Like you're working on thing, you're planning for something about yourself, then so you look at the social media, you look at something about your past, and then you dwell on it, you think about it, then the day is finished. Don't do that. So when you're working, maybe turn off your phone, like just put it on the silent, right? That would be very good. So whatever you're doing, just focus on the thing that is you're doing. Just focus on that thing. Not about your future, not about your past, not about what this person is doing, not that person is doing. So example, if you're a student, just focus on the chapters that you're studying. What you want to complete today, just focus on that. Not YouTube. That time no YouTube, that time no social media, no Instagram, right? Nothing. No WhatsApp. So for some of you, that's the thing. I'm just saying, for some of you, it's an example. Maybe some of you are getting distracted because of your phones. So just focus on the things that you want to do. Or maybe because someone messaged you and then you think about that. Or maybe you have friends who are very demanding and they've asked for your help constantly, and then you have to be with for them. So maybe for some of you, right now you need to focus on your intention, your goals, not on other people. It might, for some of you, your friends might say, oh my god, you're never present, what are you doing? You have your own life. You cannot help everyone all the time. Now is the time to focus on your goals and your intention. Be clear with it. This is the best time to plant that seed and keep on growing with faith, trust. Okay? And planning for your future is best now, but not staying in the future, right? Not worrying about the future. Just plan and go with it. Take action accordingly. Planning is different and staying in the future is different. Thinking about it and overstressing is different. Make good plans and go with it, okay? Let's see what else. Got 2 cards here. Yeah, magic and renewal. Yeah. Hop away. With this frog, that is what I'm getting. Hop away from negative things, negative thinking, about your past. What is that is coming in between. Maybe there are people around you who are a little bit negative. Because of them, you're not able to stay focused. If it's possible, you choose an environment that is good for you guys right now. Hop away from negativity. If someone is gossiping about someone, hop away. If someone is trying to drain your energy, maybe it's time to choose wisely and hop away from them. Maybe I feel like maybe for some of you there are friends who are taking your energy a lot, they're draining you. Maybe if it's possible, if you don't want to go to a social event, maybe it's time to say no. So that's something I'm getting. And believe in your own magic. Use full moon energies, new moon energies for manifestations. Okay, and I'm getting this full moon energy, this full moon, let that thing go that is not good for you guys. What is that thing that is not good for you? Write down in the paper and burn it away. Okay, that's the main message here. Something is blocking you, some sort of past thing. Yeah, so for some of you this is a past event that happened, that is coming in between, and you're stressing about it, you're thinking about it, what if this happens again? So you're doubting yourself, and that's why I feel like your intentions are going back and forth. What is this not good for me? What if that is not good for me? So there is a lot of doubt coming because of this past matter. So that past matter or past event or past person, whoever it is, whatever the situation is, write it down and release it this full moon. Okay, do that. Okay, and understand the magic is within you. If you feel it like, yes, I can make it happen, you will make it happen. But if you're doubting, if you're putting that negative energy, yeah, then that's what will manifest. Maybe you are, and I even feel like there are someone around you who is a little bit discouraging. So don't talk. If there is some person around you who is like that, it's important that you keep your stuff to yourself. Don't share, don't overshare your things. Keep it. I even feel like that whatever you're planning, whatever your goals are, keep it to yourself. Don't share it now. When the time will be correct, at that time only share. Okay, keep some of your projects, whatever your plans are, just keep it secret. Keep it to yourself. Okay, it's okay. It's, you know, I feel like for some of you, you need to think about yourself right now. Start living for yourself, not for others. You know, maybe you're living for other people for quite a long time, and because of it, you are losing a lot of opportunities. So don't let that happen. Okay, I feel like that's the message from Spirit. And with this renewal, when you do that, when you hope away from this negativity, when you don't stress about what other, you know, maybe for some of you, your friends, you stress about your friends' problems, and because of it, you're not focusing on yourself. You're not, the major thing is like you're focusing on family problems, on other problems. So that's why you're not able to give 100% to your work, to your goals. And that's why it's not manifesting. So right now, the important thing is to let go of the energies that is not helping you anyway, the negative energy, negative thought patterns. For some of you negative people, hop away from that. Don't take them seriously. Don't take their remarks, comments, anything seriously. Let it go. Filter out. Okay, what you need, only take that. Okay, the magic is within you. I'm hearing that the angels are telling you can make anything happen for yourself, but sometimes you don't believe in yourself, right? So you need to believe in yourself more. Trust yourself more. You can make it happen. I feel like this frog is thinking about something. Like maybe someone says something and you start thinking about it, like you're working on a project, you're sitting and working on a project and you're very focused, and then someone will say something and you just keep on thinking about it, and then you lose track of time, and then all your work is pending and you're just focusing on other people's problem or what they said. Don't let that happen. Okay, so that's the main message for you guys that you need to know right now. Okay, because yeah, this is the message. What is the urgent message from angels for group number 1? Embrace the energy of peace. Yes, as I told you, there is a lot of heavy energy. You need to be brave and honest with yourself. What you want to do, you cannot, with this night, you cannot save the world right now. All you need to do is to focus on yourself. That's what I'm getting here. You cannot solve everyone's problem. You cannot take everyone's problem right now. Just focus on your problems. What is it? Focus on yourself, your work, your problems. Let that past issue go. Maybe I feel like you are trying to help other people a lot. You're over giving, and you're not giving anything to yourself. You're not doing the self-care that you need to. I feel like this is the time to do more self-care, to make yourself a priority, to do the things that you want to do, to stay focused on your goals. Okay, so that's important. To be courageous and follow your bliss. Don't let this small distraction take away. You know, sometimes because of this small distraction, oh, this person told me this, that my art is not beautiful, so I have to redo it. So maybe that's there. You know, you listen to other people and you don't believe in yourself. So it's important that you believe in yourself, be brave and honest, and now focus on yourself. That's what I'm getting. On your dreams, on your goals. This is the time to focus on your mental health as well. Stay away from the people who are making you feel like heavy. You know, whenever you meet these people, you get anxious. Stop meeting them. Let go of them. If you're living in an environment, home environment with them, maybe you, as I told you, do some protection rituals, meditation, going out in nature will be very helpful for you guys. Asking support from your angels, that will be very helpful. If you're planning to move out from this place, that's going to happen. Okay, I feel like that you're going to be in a place where there will be more peace, more calmness. Okay, for some of you, these are your friends distracting, this maybe your parents, they will give you some work and you're getting distracted. So maybe you need to say no, that I want to complete this thing, please don't disturb me. You know, that's what I'm getting here. And with this, embrace the energy of peace. As I told you, a lot of stressful energy, doubting yourself, constantly thinking about the past, a lot of emotions resurfacing, then doubting yourself. So let go of that and be courageous, and you can make it happen. Whatever your goals are, you can make it happen. Don't go back and forth. So that's the message, strong message for you guys from your angels here. Let's see what else. First urgent message from angels. Okay, that's on the floor. Let me take. Okay, we have relationship change. Maybe you need to change the relationship, like with your mind. For some of you, how you're thinking about yourself, that's something I'm getting. For some of you, this is a love partnership. Maybe this is a time to let go of a person who is very toxic here. What is that? From your past, or maybe you are away from this person, you keep on thinking about this person, and because of it, this person, you lose all the faith, you lose all the trust, you doubt yourself, you say that you're not worthy. What is that? You guys need to practice more self-love, guys. You need to say affirmations. If you cannot, if you feel, you know, sometimes people doesn't feel those affirmations. Yeah, it's like just like you will not feel it and then you just say it. It will not work like that, right? If you cannot do that, at least if it's possible, talk to someone who can help you. Like talk to a counselor, talk to a therapist, or talk to a trusted friend about this issue, about this relationship. I feel like you might get guidance. And for some of you, this relationship change is that you're letting go of a partner that is toxic for you guys, and that will be the best thing that you will do. If you're holding on to this person emotionally, let them go. Free yourself and free them. Free the past. For some of you, this is the past thing that you need to free. A love relationship. And I feel like that you will be doing, but for many of you, you are now also dwelling in the past. You need to let that go. Let them go. Let that thing go so you can move forward, okay? Yeah. And for some of you, you need to change the relationship that you have with yourself, right? Are you talking good to yourself? Do you have this negative self-talk? Make a change. You know, you cannot change the pattern in one day. It will take time. Slowly but surely you can make that change. Slowly start doing the things that you love. You know, self-care can be like reading a book that you love. Maybe it's a hobby that you want to pursue. Do that. Maybe just plant plants, you know, seeds. If you have a garden, do that if it makes you happy. So do something that makes you happy. Okay? And for some of you, definitely you need to consult someone who you can share your thoughts, ideas, so they can give you that guidance. If you have a mother figure who is very kind, who is very compassionate, talk to them. Don't keep it in yourself. For some of you, it's like you're keeping it in yourself. You're not sharing it. Maybe it's time to share. Or just let it out to the divine. Share everything. You know, when you talk it out, you will feel so light. That's something I'm getting here. Yeah, that's the message here. Let's see what else. Surrender to inner peace. There is no inner peace. As I told you, a lot of back and forth energy, a lot of stress, stressing about the past, stressing about the future. What is it? Stressing about this person, why this person did this to me. You're dwelling upon it, and because of it you're not able to focus on your goal streams now, because you're just thinking about that. That is what you need to change. And you know, if you make a choice, you are the one only can make that change. No one else can do it for you guys. You need to make that choice. Yes, I'll not be doing this. Whenever you think about this thing, just meditate or ground your energy, or at least write those emotions down and burn it down. Okay, so that's what you need to do it. For some of you, this can be a father figure as well. Maybe for some of you, with this relationship change, this is a father figure. Maybe you're not on good terms with this father figure, but for some of you, father healing is possible at this time. Okay, if you want to call this person, call your daddy, or if you want to talk to them, go and make that call. Okay, instead of stressing what they will say, because father healing is definitely possible at this time for you guys. Let's see what else. Yeah, Kali Ma, look, facing fear. You are very fearful. Awakening presence. As I told you, the universe is with you. You're very, very protected. Even though you sometimes don't feel like that you're protected, but definitely you're very, very protected. So the universe is with you. Wear a clock of protection and love. So yeah, with this white light, white light energy, protect yourself with white light energy. You're protected. Don't worry about your protection. Divine is taking care of you. And with this Kali Ma facing fear, yeah, there is a lot of fear-based thinking, fear-based negative thinking that you need to let go of. If you work with Kali Ma, ask for her guidance. She will help you. Major spiritual changes are unfolding. This is your chance to soar. So for you guys, it's like you need to fight your own inner demons, right? Sometimes our inner thinking, the negative thinkings, that is what you need to fight, and change that thing into a positive thing. Do something. Whenever you're feeling so negative, whenever you're thinking too much about the past, write that down, burn it. That's the first thing. For others, you can turn it in like turn things to gratitude. What are the good things that you have? Write the good things that you have accomplished till now. That will be very helpful. For some of you, just talk it out to a counselor, therapist, if you feel like that. If you have scheduled an appointment, go do it. Okay, but right now I feel like you need to focus more on yourself rather than other people. Okay, let go of that past thing. The past is not, it's done. You cannot change the past. It's done. Let go of that thing. Cry it out. For you guys, you need to release a lot of things. Cry it out. Cry, scream. If you want to punch your punch pillow, do that and release that. I have done that. I used to, what I do is like, I just speak to divine. I just speak it, I just let it out, and I just cry, and it feels so light. Seriously, that works. Okay, do that. So let's see what is your message in here. Group number 1. It's time to let go of the toxic chemicals from your home. Use natural products. You know what you need to do, but why are you hesitating to let that thing go? If you keep touching your wound again and again, how it is going to heal? So just talk to someone or cry and let it out. Oh my God, this makes so much sense, right? So yeah. So maybe for some of you, you're using certain chemicals that are not good for your skin. Maybe it's time to use natural products. Okay, so that's coming. Or yeah, maybe, food also. Maybe for some of you, eating a lot of junk food, and because of it, maybe you're not feeling good. So it's time to have a healthy routine. That's something I'm seeing. And a lot of stress for you guys. You need to let go of it. Yeah, something related to your past that you're keeping thinking about it. Why this happened. There's a lot of resentment, guilt. And when we have this resentment or guilt, we don't move forward. We stick we get bitter, so you need to let go of it so you can free yourself from them and they can be free. Forgive, okay? Forgiveness is the key right now. If you, yeah, and you're like, how can I forgive them? For your own sake, forgive them. If you don't forgive them, you will not move forward. That's the thing. For your own good, you need to forgive them. Understand that. So that's all I have for group number 1. I hope you liked it. Take care, guys. Take care. Bye bye. Please, hello, group number 2. If you have chosen this white tea light candle, let's see what is the urgent messages for you guys that you need to know right now from your angels, spirit guides. So if you haven't watched the intro, so I told in the intro that I have a channeled message for you guys. I meditated on each pile. So I have meditate on your pile and I have a message for you guys that we'll be reading later. Okay. So yeah, let's see what is the message for you guys. What do you need to know right now? What is about your situation that you need to know right now? So that's going to be the message, urgent messages from your angels, the messages they want you to know right now. Okay. So with this white candle, maybe if you can light candle or light lamp every day for your angels or for your angels or for the gods that you believe in. If it's possible, just do it. And a lot of peace. I'm seeing a lot of peace coming your way, a lot of calmness, relaxing energy coming your way. Okay. If you have been stressing, I feel like you'll not be stressing too much. So I feel like there is a shift in your energy. You are also feeling very calm. You're feeling peace, and the environment you will be in, that will also will be very peaceful. That's something I'm seeing here for you guys. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, I'm seeing like someone is traveling near mountains and they will see the mountains and like they are like just so happy to see that place, like feeling so happy to be in the nature. That's the image that I'm seeing. Like you're trekking and you're seeing the mountains, you're so happy, or you're going to a place where it is very hilly and you're like in the nature and it's a little bit cold. You're enjoying the nature. That's something I'm seeing for some of you. Okay. So maybe a trip for some of you. Really, I'm seeing beautiful green like mountains. There is a lot of greenery, but there is a lot of good, the climate is a little bit chilly. That's something I'm getting for you guys, but you're enjoying it. Yeah. And like, so for some of you, like going on the top of the mountain and shouting like screaming or something like that also I'm seeing. Okay, let's see what else. Trekking, hiking for some of you. If you're feeling, for some of you, it's like, will I have that health to walk that much? Here, yes, you will. If you believe it, you will be able to make it. You will have the health. You will have the energy to go for it. That's also I'm hearing here. Let's see what else. Be clear with your intention. Okay, be very clear with your intention, what you want. I said that in group number 1 also. Their energy was like back and forth. They have this intention, they think, then they like don't trust. So for you guys, I feel like you will be trusting. So trust, and whatever you want you can achieve. Believe in yourself. Okay, let's see. What's the message for group number 2? Whoever chose this white tea light, what's the urgent message for them, divine? I was talking about the mountains and all, isn't it amazing? I saw mountains, hills, I saw that, and we have a mountain, right? And wide open, and she's also standing on like this kind of mountain. This is exactly what I saw. Really, I saw this in the mindset. Like a person is like, their two hands are like this and they're like looking in the mountains and they're feeling like they're screaming. They're feeling so happy. That's what I saw. Interesting. I like that. Wow. So yeah, maybe for some of you, you will be doing that. If you want to do that, if you want to go to travel, if you want to go to trekking, if you want to do hiking, you will be doing that. You will have the health to do it. And for some of you, it's like this mountain and this wide open. There is going to be a lot of opportunities that are coming your way. So be open to those opportunities. For some of you, it will feel like quite challenging, those opportunity. Oh my God, I have to put this much effort in that. It will be a little bit challenging, but you know what? You will be able to make it happen. You will be able to climb the mountain top. Maybe for some of you, this is an opportunity that you're getting to climb mountain or whatever it is, I don't know, but definitely take this opportunity, go for it, because you can make it happen. And look at the numbers, we have the 6 and again we have 42, it is also reduces to 6, right? So yeah, 6 and after the 5, after the action challenges, finally there is harmony, finally there is, you know, you're feeling good, you're relaxed, you're balanced. That's something I'm getting. For some of you, very good partnership also I'm getting. Maybe you will be traveling with someone who you like, who you love, maybe friends. But whatever, I seriously feel for you guys, whatever adversities or challenges are going to be there in your life, you will be able to overcome that. That's the message here. And there is definitely lot of possibilities wide open with this. Be open to all the possibilities, okay? And what is best for you, take that and go for it, okay? Lot of possibilities, lot of opportunities might be coming your way. So yeah, that's something I'm seeing here for you guys. And exactly with this mountains, you know, mountains is like, finally I'm getting like this with mountain and wide open. You got 2 cards, you know, I was just aiming for one. And with this mountain and wide open, you will be able to climb, like you will be able to overcome all those obstacles and you will reach your destination. That's what I'm getting. It's like you're not going to turn, like just a metaphorically, like if you're planning for a road destination and you're just going and there's a lot of traffic, instead of going back to your home, you will wait. And you will, even though it's slow, you will move forward, you will face that and you will reach the destination. And you will look, it's like going, like climbing the mountain, reaching the mountain top and feeling proud. So it's like, maybe this is a message for you guys. Don't give up. Take those opportunities, work on it. Don't let this fear come in between. Don't give up on yourself. Accept those opportunities. Maybe even though it's challenging, accept it, be open to it and go for it. You can make it happen, okay? That's something I'm seeing for you guys. So let's see what else for my group number 2. There's a message. You are getting all 2 cards. Interesting. Navigating the stars, follow your bliss. Wow, rainbow blessing. As I told you, things are going to get better for you guys. Definitely blessings are coming. So there is going to be a lot of opportunities. Again, we have this travel and again we have the mountain. And again, a lot of mountains here. But we have this rainbows also, right? So keep on following your bliss. For some of you, I feel like there is some sort of travel. Even though there is like, you know, there are a lot of restrictions with travel. Don't fear. You will be able to make it happen. Even though it's a road trip, whatever trip it is, go for it. You will be able to reach your destination. So what you need to do is to follow your bliss. Whatever your dream is, I feel like the dream that you have, even if it's travel or whatever your dream have, like moving forward in your career, moving forward in your relationship, whatever your dream have, keep on moving forward, because you will be able to reach your destination, because there are so many blessings that are coming your way. Yeah, you have seen a lot. You have, like with this mountain, you know, the obstacles that will be presenting to you, it is for your own good. You know, you will be learning something from it. And you know, the best part is that you will be able to overcome all those obstacles and you will be able to move forward, and you will be able to reach your destination. You will, even though there is a lot of traffic in between, you will be very patient. But the cool thing is you will be able to reach your destination. So a lot of blessings in your career also. It's like you have a dream, you want to move forward. Keep on moving forward. Trust, faith is what is needed. Slowly but surely, the blessings are going to be in your life. And if you have, you know, if you have been working very hardly, you have been overcoming a lot of challenges, you are in this mindset of not giving up, yes, the blessings are coming. That's the message that you need to know right now, okay? So go with your heart. Keep on following your bliss. No, the opportunities that you're receiving, work with it. Don't let that fear come in between. Even if it's a relocation opportunity that you're getting, go for it, okay? Because things are getting better. Let's see, group number 2. I'm getting blessings. For some of you, this is a dream. In your dream, whatever your dream is, that is going to happen very soon. So keep on following. I feel like you're very faithful right now. You know that you will be able to make it happen. You have this faith, you have this courage, you're very brave and honest. And I feel like you have gone through a lot of testing times, but now it's the time of reward for some of you. Like, yeah, seriously, I feel like you have gone through a lot of testing times. Your commitment has been tested a lot of time by spirit, but you haven't given up. And that's why, yeah, group number 2, let's see. What else? Your prayers are coming true. Look, we have this courage here. So yeah, you have been very courageous. Okay, why I did that? It's on the floor. Sorry. Let me take it. Focus. Yeah, wait a second. Sorry. Yeah, keep on focusing, guys. You're doing good. That's what I'm getting here. And amazingly, we have this. I'm getting a fatherly vibe for some of you, like there is someone who is going to guide you, or there is a spirit guide around you, a grandfather spirit guide around you who is helping you with this thing, who is giving you that courage, who is giving you that wisdom. So maybe because maybe you have a very strong spirit guide that you talk to, and when you talk to them you feel so energized and you just keep on moving forward. So I feel like there is someone around you who's a grandfather figure. I'm seeing very strongly with these two cards. I'm getting a very strong spirit guide who is protecting you, who is giving you guidance, who is showing you a lot of signs. Maybe you see, maybe it's like a rainbow. Whenever you see a rainbow, you get maybe you think about them. So if that is the thing, it's a very specific message. Yes, they are with you. If you think, whenever you see a rainbow, if you think about them, so I can see that. And yes, focus on your magic. You're very powerful manifestors. Focus on your manifesting skills. Believe in your manifesting skills. So that's all you need to do. Keep on moving forward, guys. You are getting a lot of wisdom from your ancestors, from your, like as I told you, maybe a grandfather figure. You're getting a lot of wisdom. So take that and keep on moving forward. Yes, I feel like the dream that you have for you, you have a very good, you have a dream for yourself and you're following that. And it's their dream that you become successful. So your spirit guide or your grandfather wants you to get successful in that. So they have your back. You're not alone in this, okay? And so a lot of opportunities will be presented to you guys. So take what works best for you, okay? Trust your intuition here. And I feel like you will be receiving guidance. Yeah. I feel like I feel like spirit guides, your angels, your ancestors were testing you. The testing part has ended. You have passed that examination, that spiritual test. Now you have passed it. I feel like that. Now it's time to reap the reward. So keep on going. Keep on focusing on your goals. You have been doing it. So keep on going. That's what I'm getting for you guys. Focus on your magic and keep on doing the good work you're doing. Beta. Yeah, we have star ancestor. Follow the voice of your soul. Yes, keep on listening to intuition. And with the star ancestor, as I told you, there is an ancestor around you, a grandfather figure around your grandmother. It can be, but I'm seeing a very, very strong grandfather figure here. Or maybe it can be your father also for some of you if you have lost. Yeah. I'm sensing that energy. There is a very big, like there is someone, there is a spirit guide, there is a grandfather figure, father figure around you they are giving you the signs, they are showing you this, they are showing you the way, the direction they're showing you, and you can feel it intuitively. So take action. Again, we have the mountains here. So what is this with mountains, guys? Something with mountains for you guys, I'm sure. Yeah, something. Or maybe, yeah, I'm getting something with mountains for you guys, group number 2. What is it? Anyways, but definitely. And with the star, I feel like the stars are going to align for you guys. Like maybe in your chart also, things are getting good. I'm getting that energy as well. The stars are aligning for you. They are also, your spirit guides, your ancestors are working for your dream. You're working, like you're co-creating with spirit. And for some of you, definitely your star seeds, you have a star family, you're connecting with them and they're giving you that guidance. So just follow your intuition and go forward with it. I feel like with the stars, your wishes are also coming true with this rainbow. They're telling you to go and follow your bliss, because you will reach your destination and enjoy the journey. I feel group number 2, you haven't given up on your dreams. You have been very, very focused. You have been trusting divine. And you're taking all the possibilities. But there is some days you will be doubting, and it's okay, because because that's how we humans are, isn't it? And it's okay, but definitely you come back to yourself, you're like, yes, I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. And I'm getting this energy from you guys, and I feel like your angels are telling to keep on going with that, keep going, it's okay, everything is fine. That's what I'm seeing here. I'm just, this is very strong. Your commitment part has been done, you have passed that spiritual test. That's what's coming very strongly here. So let's see what else. Financial discipline. Okay, for some of you, you need to have this financial discipline. Maybe for some of you are planning to start a spiritual career, or maybe you're worried about your finances. So if you're yeah, maybe worried about your finances, because if you're like, oh, if I start this spiritual career, will I get that finances? Yes, you will be able to make it, but you will have to maintain a financial discipline. Like maybe for some of you, if you can consult someone who is good in finances, that will be very beneficial for you guys. Or maybe if you're overspending, like maybe you need to take write down all your finances, where you're spending. If you're spending on useless thing, maybe cancel those subscriptions. If you don't use, maybe you have certain subscriptions that you don't use it, maybe cancel that. Like some of those things, maybe you need to look into it. Okay, right now that's a message. So there is a little bit financial discipline that you need to make. Okay, maybe you give a lot of money to other people and they don't return back, so there also maybe you're losing money or something like that. So maybe maintain a financial discipline. Maybe for some of you want to start a spiritual business, so so maybe for some of you right now, start to have that financial discipline where you can save some money to start that business or whatever you want. Okay, so some financial discipline you need to make. If you're overspending, it's okay to spend on good things that you want, but overspending, don't overspend. So that's something I'm getting. Or maybe you're spending too much money on food, like buying outside food. It's okay, maybe start cooking. So something like that as well I'm getting here. And when we start cooking, it's a good thing. It's a healthy also. So when we cook from home, so eat home dishes if you are not. Let's see what else. Oh no. That's a lot. So okay, we got it. Surrender stress. Yeah, as I told you, surrender worry. You don't have to worry about anything. You don't have to stress about anything. Everything is going to be taken care for you guys. You have strong spirit guide around you who is protecting you. You're going to get a lot of opportunities. Yes, you're getting also, but I feel like you're getting a lot of opportunities. With this wide open, you're open to opportunities. Or maybe you're getting a lot of opportunities, you're not wide open. You like stress a lot about these opportunities. Don't let it. If you feel inside, yes, I need to take that, go for it. Don't let that fear or stress come in between. Okay, so release that thing. We don't need that. And I feel like Archangel Michael is also there for you guys. Maybe, yes, I'm getting this Archangel Michael, a strong spirit guide for definitely a father figure or grandfather figure. I'm strongly feeling for you guys. Okay, and something with mountains. And with this mountains, like, yes, you're going to overcome all these challenges, and yeah, you will climb the mountain top. You have that wisdom inside of you. You have that, even though you don't know where you need to go, but when you take one step, you will be shown the way. So you don't have to worry. You are reaching your destination. You are with the star, navigating by the star. And again, we have the star and we have this rainbow blessing. So yes, you are going to make your dreams come true, slowly but surely. So don't let that stress come in between. Believe some days it will come. I feel like you are much better than before. You have dealt with your stress a lot, but then too there was a little bit. It's okay. Surrender that. You are the one who gives a lot of hope, and I feel you guys gives a lot of hope, a lot of love to other people, right? I feel like you have been focusing on your self-love journey, so it's good to see that. Yeah. Oh, voice of truth. Stand strong, focus on your purpose, release the fear of persecution, and speak your truth. So maybe for some of you, it's like you want to say something to your friends. You have this wisdom, you have this knowledge to say, but you hesitate. Oh, what if I say this? What will they think of me? Or what if they don't like what I say? Say it. Because you are saying the truth. You are saying, sometimes, when we say things, people will not accept at that time. But, when they go further in the journey, they will understand that what you said was the best thing. Right? Sometimes people will not understand, but it's okay. You say it. Don't keep it to yourself. You have the wisdom, you have the knowledge, you just say it. Don't be afraid what others will think about you. Okay, maybe for some of you, you're seeing a lot of signs from universe, and you're like, oh, what if I share this with other people? What if they think that I'm crazy? Let them think. It's like, it's their problem. You don't have to stress about it. Okay, or maybe if you do, it's like, I definitely feel like your wisdom, your guidance will help other people, but at the same time, when you share that, they might reject it at that time. They will be like, why are you crazy, why you're saying that? At that point they will not understand, but later they will definitely understand that, and it will help them heal. So share your truth, guys. Don't be afraid. You are this confident person. I see that confidence in you, so keep on moving forward. Stand up for yourself. Don't be afraid. So let's see the message. If you get any opportunity to travel, don't let it go. A road trip can give you a lot of clarity. If you want to meet your family, go for it. Your family healing is possible at this time. Quantum jumping meditation, do it. Oh, that is a message from your angels. Quantum jumping. Are you doing that? Relax. Things are only getting better and better for you. Wow. Look at it. So yeah, that's the message for you guys. Group number 2, that is what I channeled. Okay, so that's it for group number 2. Hope you like the reading. If you like it, give it a like, share, subscribe, or comment, and I will go. Bye bye, take care. Number 3, if you have chosen this butterfly, let's see what is the message from angels, urgent messages that you need to know right now about your situation right now. So what do you need to know right now? So what are the messages from your angels, from spirit guides, from your ancestors? Let's see. Okay, so I told in the intro that I will be doing an automatic writing. So I have written your message in here. So I meditated on each while, and I wrote the message. So it's in here, and I'll just read it later. Okay, so let's see what is your message. What is the urgent messages from your angels? What do you need to know about your situation? What do you need to know? What is the urgent message for group number 3? We have this white butterfly. Maybe butterflies are significant for you guys. And if I'm hearing the word metamorphosis, so yes, you're not going to be in your cocoon anymore. You're getting out of your comfort zone, or maybe for some of you, this is a message that to get out of your comfort zone, to do something different today. What you can do something different today? What is that thing that make you fearful? Go and do it. So that's something I'm seeing here for you guys. And for others, it's like you have taken the risk, you have come out of your comfort zone, and I feel like your spirit guides, your angels are applauding you for that. Okay, for doing that. And for others, it's okay to take risk, it's okay to do something fearful. Yeah, you will learn something from it. So yeah, that's something I'm getting. It's okay. It's time to get out of your comfort zone. Yeah, for some of you, it's time to get out of your comfort zone. Okay, so let's see what challenging thing that you can do today. Do it. Maybe it is a dress that you want to wear, but you were feeling a little bit fearful, but you didn't wear because of it. So maybe do that. Like, yeah, I'm getting like doing something that makes you fear. Do it. It will give you amazing. It will make you happy when you will achieve that thing. So do that. So let's see what else for you guys. What is the message from your ancestors, from your angels? Urgent messages from your angels. Let's see. Urgent messages from your angels for group number 1. What do you need to know? Okay. I'm seeing a lot of happiness is coming your way, guys. A lot of happiness. You're already happy. For some of you, you're already happy. I'm getting like a lot of happiness. Your connection with spirit is becoming more stronger. You're very guided by your angels. I feel like that. Okay, magic prayer and movement. Okay, wow. Your prayers can move mountains. That's something I'm getting. You have that power of prayer. You have the strength. Look, with the strength card, as I told you, do something that makes you fearful. Do something that makes you a little bit fear, gives you a little bit uncomfort. Do that. It can be talking to a person, to a stranger. It can be that thing. Do it. Do something daring today. That's what I'm getting hearing. Do something daring. Do something that makes you uncomfortable. Do something that makes you fearful. You will feel so happy after doing it, because you will be like, yes, I can do it. I have that courage. You are going to find something that you never knew that you had in that, when you take that action. And with this magic prayer, this is the strong thing I'm hearing. Your prayer has the power to move mountains. So believe in your prayer. Keep on praying. Maybe for some of you, you are using affirmations nowadays. So if you are using affirmations, things are happening for you guys. And with this movement, if you're feeling things are not moving as quick as you want, I feel like there is movement. Okay, with this your magic period, maybe you're stuck somewhere and you're feeling stuck and things are not moving, and you're praying for that movement. That is going to happen. For some of you, are praying for travel. That's going to happen. Some of you feeling like things are not moving as quickly as it should. Things are going to move for you guys. There is movement happening in your relationship, in your any of the situation. For some of you, your growth, maybe you're like feeling, I should grow this by this time. That's happening. So whatever you're praying for, I feel like you're praying with your heart. You're very honest with yourself right now, and you're praying that to happen, and it's moving, guys. Things are moving for you guys. That's what angels wants you to know right now. You are not going to be in a stuck energy. You're going to move. You're moving faster than you think. Yes, you're moving faster than you think. Okay, so don't get impatient. Be patient. Okay, things are moving forward for you guys. Your prayers are working. So because you have been honest, you have been giving that gratitude to divine. So yeah, things are moving. So if you are in a problem, if you are in a stress, creative solutions are coming. So here, as I told you, when you get that guidance, maybe that guidance that you receive is something challenging, like it's something that makes you fearful. It's something that will put you out of the box, right? Like something different. It will tell you to do, so do it. Don't fear that, okay? And with this, look, I have this here hot air balloon. I feel for some of you, it's like you're leveling up in all areas of your life. Yeah, it's like leveling up. You're moving upward. It's upward, increase. That's what I'm hearing. Increase for you guys. So movement, progression. Yeah, maybe you want that progress that's happening in your career, in your relationship. You have been praying for something that's happening. So believe in your prayer. Your prayer, yeah, your prayer has so much potential. Yeah, really, prayers have so much. And you have been praying for this thing. This is happening. The movement is coming. No more stuck energy. Things are moving forward for you guys. Okay, that's the good news for you guys. Let's see what else. But be honest with your dreams, with your goals, like whatever. Be honest. That's very important. Be authentic. Don't do for the sake of other people, because someone else is doing. No, do that thing because you want to do it. Okay. Again, 2 cards here. Discovering truth. As I told you, you stand in the light of truth. So do something that makes you feel happy. That is for your own truth. That's what I'm getting here. And joy and delight. Wow, there is so much. Open your heart to joy. Open your heart to that childlike energy. That's what I'm feeling with this joy and delight. Open your heart to joy. So maybe for some of you, sometimes you get very serious. So it's time to let that seriousness go and become like a child again. Okay, and do the things that you feel that you're meant to do. Be honest with yourself. That's something I'm getting. Don't be afraid to stand in truth. Don't be afraid of the truth. Okay, and I even feel like that's something you're going to discover about yourself that will make you so happy. Yeah, something about yourself that you're going to discover. Like, you're not going to go with the crowd. As I told you, you're going to do something different that might be challenging for you guys, but do it anyway, because that is for your highest good. I told you, right, to do something challenging. Maybe that thing will put you out of the box, that will make you fearful. Go for it, because that thing will make you move forward. That will put you in the light. Yeah, so just be honest, keep on moving forward. Your heart is going to open with a lot of joy. You're going to open your heart. You're going to discover a lot about yourself. I feel like that. So I for group number 3, I already feel that you know what you are, what you want for some of you, but I feel like you don't have the full picture. There is more to come, more about your skills. There is some sort of skills that you haven't discovered yet. Now I feel like you will be discovering that in the future. That's what your angels are telling. So there is lot of happiness that is coming your way. So open your heart, don't be so serious. Life is not so serious. Be more childlike energy. I feel like that's important. And I even feel like some childhood issues are going to be resolved for you guys. Maybe you will be making peace with your childhood. That's something I'm seeing and moving forward. So whatever, I even feel like with this magic prayer and movement, the thing, maybe for some of you, because of the childhood issue, because of the past, you were not moving forward in a particular area of your life. That's going to be healed and you're going to move forward. And there's a lot of joy and delight that is coming your way. Okay, that's what your angels are telling you right now. So yeah, let's see what else. I'm getting guardian angel for some of you. There is a guardian angel around you. So maybe for some of you, you might have heard your name, like while you're sleeping or something like that. It's your guardian angel. That's something I heard. Very specific here for some of you, okay? But you're very protected. And of course, with this butterfly, you're transforming into your best version. That's something I'm seeing here. You will be very proud of yourself. And I even feel like when you will be taking that action, like whenever you will be doing something that challenges you, you will be so proud of yourself. Because in the past, you never thought that you will be able to do. So you're going to do something that you never thought you will be doing, or you're already doing it and you're already proud of it. But more is coming for you guys. You have only seen the half picture. There's more. That's something I'm getting. It's like you have seen the trailer only. There is more to come. The picture is there to come. There's something more to come. And so you're going to be so surprised in a very good way, very good way I'm getting here. Look again, the word joy. Wow. Hummingbird. Joy. Magic. Again, the word joy. Yeah? A lot of joy. This truth that you will discover will bring a lot of joy. That's something I'm getting. Maybe so for some of you, you are going to discover some truth about yourself. Like as I told you, some skill about yourself. And it will bring so much of joy, so much of happiness to you guys. Okay. And we have the number 22. 22 is an angel number, and angels, I told you, guardian angels are around you. For some of you, connection with your angels are going to be very, 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 very strong. You will, whenever you want guidance, you will receive it very fast guidance. You will see the signs very easily. If you ask for signs, you will see it. Okay, but with this hummingbird spirit, a lot of joy, a lot of happiness. You will be very delightful that you discovered this truth and things are moving forward. Progress, that's what I see for you guys. So if you're not been progressing at the speed that you wanted, I feel like that's happening and you're going to progress. For some of you, there might be a change in direction also. Like you wanted this thing to do, you thought this will be the thing, but something else will happen and you will go that path and it will be so wonderful. Yeah, for some of you, like with this discovering truth also, like this person is going this way, there are other two people, they're going that way. So maybe you were going this way, but you will understand that this is the way I should go, and you will make that U-turn. You're going to make that U-turn, and when you make that U-turn, things are going to move forward for you guys. So there might be change in direction or change in perception as well, or maybe the way you're doing things, you might be changing that, and because of it, things might move forward. But definitely I'm seeing some sort of past. You have overcome your past now. Yeah, I feel like that. You have healed your past. Now things are moving forward. Let's see what else. From two different texts, we got the keyword joy. So joy is the keyword. Joy is coming your way. The prayers that you're praying is happening. Movement, progression. So keep on moving. Take action. Yeah, be devoted and committed. As I was talking, we got be devoted and committed. So maybe for some of you, you will be doing this work by yourself. You will have a lot to do. Maybe something that is like you're starting by yourself. Look, with this, not many people are doing the same thing that you're doing, so it's something new for you guys, right? So be devoted and committed, keep on moving forward, take your time. Maybe for some of you will be spending a lot of time with yourself, but the time you will be spending by yourself will be the most productive time, and you will be enjoying that time, right? So yeah, I feel like that you will be enjoying your alone time, the work you do, you will be enjoying, you will be loving what you do. That's something I'm seeing here. Okay, if you are students, I feel like you might be doing some different course that you want. You will understand that which course I need to do, and you're going to do something that makes you happy, and you will be so committed, so devoted that things will move forward for you guys. So something that you are understanding about yourself, and there is a change in direction, and you're like feeling so joyful, you're so feeling happy, and finally the prayers that you're praying is coming true. Finally things are moving forward. That's what I'm saying here for you guys, and that's what angels want you to know right now. Okay, rebirth. Yes, it's a rebirth, it's a change in direction. It's like, again, we have change the back of the deck with this rebirth. Yeah, rebirth. You are understanding a lot about yourself. There is some sort of skills that you're understanding, so there is a change in direction. As I told you, you're feeling new, and we have this a butterfly, and then we have this rebirth card. So you are feeling a new person all over again. You have healed your traumas. For some of you, healed your traumas. You're understanding that it was not your mistake. You're standing up for yourself. Now you have this confidence in you, right? In the past maybe you didn't have that, but now you have it. So keep on moving forward. Be more open to good things. Okay, that's something. Be more open to receiving, guys. That's something I'm seeing. Maybe for some of you, you might be a little bit closed off with receiving. Maybe if someone gives you like good words, compliment, you will like, oh, maybe there is a tendency that you don't take that seriously. So take it, like, why not? Maybe you used to not, maybe you don't get so many compliments, used to not get so many compliments. So if you get that, you feel like, oh, are they faking it? You might not trust it. Be open to receive. If someone is giving you love, be open to receive. If someone is giving you gifts, be open, receive it with gratitude. Okay, that's something I'm seeing for you guys. Okay, so let's see, what is it? Oh, surrender to low self-esteem. As I was talking, sometimes you're not used to hearing compliments, good compliments about yourself. So maybe there was this low self-esteem issues for you guys, and I feel like that is what you need to surrender. So whenever someone give compliment to you, take it, accept it, and say thanks. It's okay. Yeah, that's something I'm seeing. So if someone is hyping you up, take that. You deserve it. Okay, so surrender that. You are worthy. Yeah, in the past things might happen in the childhood, because of it you might had this low self-esteem, but now you're a very strong person. You have grown so much, so surrender that. Surrender that. Let's see what else. Wow, we have green Tara, supreme protection, very, very protective energy. And look, we have Diana, focused intention. As I told you, keep on moving forward, guys. Whatever your intention is, keep on moving forward with it. Be committed and devoted to it. You will make it happen. There is a lot of joy. And if you are already committed, and if you already know that this is what I want to do, you have already discovered that, and it's giving a lot of joy to you, keep on moving forward. You're on the right path. This will give you a lot of joy in the future as well. And you will discover more things about yourself. So yeah, with this green Tara, look. And again, we have this green color, right? And we have the green here, we have the green here, we have the green here. So a lot of greens as well for you guys in your spread. So yeah, green, a lot of happiness, a lot of healing energy I'm seeing. For some of you, discovering that you are a healer, you can heal people. Your words, wisdom will heal people. Your smile heals people. But the thing, you need to understand that you can heal yourself. You're your own healers in a way. I feel like that. The good words you give to yourself heal you. Okay, and I feel like you're healing your past. You're coming out of that thing, and I feel like the low self-esteem that you have, you're going to heal it. I feel like that. You're working on it. If you're working on it, keep on going forward. Yes, accept the rewards, accept the compliments with heart full of love. Okay, gratitude, that's something I'm seeing. And your protected codes are being cut. As I told you, the past is not longer here. With this, codes are being kept. You have cut codes with some people, maybe something with your past, some with your childhood issues, whatever it. You move beyond limited limitation trust. And for some of you, this is your limited beliefs that you used to have about yourself, that you are not worthy enough, that you cannot do this enough, that you don't have the courage to do this enough, you cannot accomplish enough, maybe you cannot do that. Maybe sometimes we feel like that I don't have that much talent, I don't have that much skill. You're letting go of that thing and you're trusting, and that's beautiful. Okay, I see that you're doing that. I feel like you're doing it already, and your angels are acknowledging you that you're on the right path, you're doing it. For some of you, definitely this is the thing, you're trusting, your codes have been cut, you're working on your goals. Yeah, things might be a little bit slow, that's why you're praying like hope that things will go forward, but you're trusting as well. So you're doing good, you're healing all areas of your life. Okay, and with this third eye also, you can see very, very clearly, and with the sage also, with this hermit energy, you're spiritual, you're progressing spiritually, you're progressing. There's a lot of things that you have learned, you have understood a lot of things, you understand things with a deeper level, I feel like that. Okay, so keep on moving forward, and yeah, you're seeing that clear picture. Maybe for some of you, understanding that you're clairvoyant, or maybe for some of you know that already about yourself. So trust those visions. Your dreams might be very, very important. Write down your dreams. Maybe for some of you, I'm seeing lucid dreaming, astral projection or something like that is happening. If you're working on that, that's going to happen. So maybe for some of you, you will be able to control your dreams. Yeah, sometimes we have nightmares because we feel like we don't have control over our dreams. But for you guys, you have control over your dreams. With this lucid dreaming, you can make that change in your dreams. That's something I'm seeing here. But you're very, 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 very protected, very protected. Definitely this journey that you're going on, there is a lot of protection, because you believe, you trust. I feel like you have already planted the seed, and now you're nurturing it, you're watering it. Keep on moving forward. Things are coming for you guys. Good things sometimes takes time. That's it. You're very protected. That's what your angels want you to know that right now. So let's see the message for you guys here. Bring more playful energy into your life. Okay, so yeah, something with this joy, making sense, like the children's become happy so easily. Maybe you need to do that. Right? Don't be so serious. I'm getting that. Do silly things. Inner child healing is happening for you guys. Your past is over and done. Now it's time to shine. So keep smiling, laugh more, watch comedy, and laugh and laugh. That's what I received. So I feel like reading out once more for you guys. Bring more playful energy into your life. Do silly things. Inner child healing is happening for you. Your past is over and done. Now it's time to shine. So keep smiling, laugh more, watch comedy, and laugh and laugh. So yeah, there's a lot of laughter coming your way. So that's all I have for group number 3. If you like the reading, give it a like, share, subscribe, or comment. I will see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.